X Limited has two Unit N and Unit Y. Unit N is engaged in the business of power generation and installed a windmill and had profit of 100 lakhs, 1 crore in assessment year. X Limited claims a description depreciation 120 lakhs in windmills against a profit of 100 lakhs from the power generator business with eligibility deduction under 80IA. The Y unit is engaged in the manufacturing of wires. Non-eligible business has a profit of 70 lakhs of the assessment year. Okay. The loss of 20 lakhs on the balance depreciation is not set off pertaining to Unit N was set off against a profit of Unit Y carried on the non-eligible business of the assessee. X Limited, the assessing officer was to view that depreciation relating to the business eligible for deduction in the 80IA cannot be set off against a non-eligible business. Hence, unabsorbed depreciation should be carried forward to subsequent year to set off against the eligible business income of the assessee. Give a view of correctness of the action of assessing officer. Uh, this client has two business. One is current generation, another is another wire manufacturing wire. But the current generation business has 20 lakh loss. But the profit in the wire manufacturer is 70 lakhs. He is saying that 50 lakhs profit minus 20 lakhs loss setting off against plus. Assessing officer, you can't set off with other business. What do you think? You want to see CIT Swarnagiri Wires Insulation Private Limited. The Karnataka High Court observed that it's generally accepted principle that deeming provision of particular section cannot be breathed into another section. One section can't be deemed to another section. Therefore, the deeming provision contains section 80 IA 5 cannot be override the position of section 70A. In the case, X Limited has incurred a loss of eligible business power generation of the account of claiming 120 lakhs and 80 IA became insignificant. Since there is no profit from which deduction can be claimed, it is therefore 80 70 section 1 comes into play where assessee is entitled to set off losses from one source of income from another source of income in the same head. He is not doing different, same head. Accordingly, as limited entitled to benefit set off loss of 20 lakhs representing the balance depreciation is not set off. Pertaining to Unit 10, against the eligible business, power generation profit of 70 lakhs of Unit Y is carried on non-eligible business. Therefore, the profit of 50 lakhs should be taxable as per our assessment of 70. However, one set-off is allowed in Section 70A against income from the another source under the same head. Reduction of such extent is not possible to any subsequent assessment year. It is loss arising on the account of balance depreciation of eligible business. So set off under 71A has to be first deducted while computing the profit eligible for deduction under section 81A of the subsequent year. Accordingly, in section assessment year 2024, a profit of unit N would be reduced to 20 lakhs from the computing profit eligible for reduction under 80IA in that year. So accordingly, assessment year net profit of unit N has been reduced 20 lakhs in the computing the profit for eligible reduction under 80IA in that year. Action of the assessing officer is not permitting setting of loss of eligible business against the profit of non-eligible business in the case therefore is not correct. So the conclusion is they can set off loss of one business to another business in the same head is eligible is as per the act. So there is no question of no special business or not. It is all under the same head. The law is simple, don't complicate it. That was the answer given by the court. So even though section 70A says that and they have claim deduction under 81A, that deduction is allowable to carry forward. Deduction is allowable and that deduction is for the same head of income, not a different head of income. You're not going for capital head to. As per the provision 71A, it is eligible for a business to set off its own losses. One business loss can be set off, other business profit. It is eligible. So this is the conclusion.